Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Travel Repeat, and today we are in Bangalore, and this is our native village, eco and pet friendly resort. Last summer I went to this resort which is 51 km away from the city. I was here for work, but I was mesmerized by this beautiful view of nature. Summer mornings are really beautiful, isn't it? Especially when you are in Bangalore. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this resort is completely an eco-friendly resort in Bangalore, and it is famous in all over India. Let me tell you why. It has been awarded as number 1 among the top 10 eco-friendly places to stay in India, and this award has been presented by Asian Geographic Passport magazine in the period of 2010. This resort generates 70 to 80% of electricity using a windmill, solar panels, and biogas plants. They have 12 acres of their own farmland, and most of the vegetables are homegrown. And also, the foods are really delicious. Rainwater harvesting is also part of their process, and it is a beautiful place out of Bangalore with very beautiful scenic beauty, and you will love the nature. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So, this is Maha signing off for the day. I hope you liked it, and if you feel that we are doing something good, then definitely subscribe us and support us. Take care. See you in the next video.